Alright, this is 2990 Wentworth Way in Tarpon Springs, and we have got every inch of our camera into the line. We were able to get the line clear. The only thing we pulled back looks like almost like a blue shop towel that you'll find in, like a mechanic's shop. There are a couple of bellies in the line, so our suspicion is that something got flushed down there that shouldn't have, and that's what's caused the backup. We did find a clean out, which we've marked right here. That's just on the other side of the hedges, and there's a blue circle on the ground with an X in the middle of it. We also located it about 100 feet out, so essentially it runs from the maintenance building 45 towards the road and then runs in a straight line all the way under the semicircle and to the hedges. So you can see this is one small belly right here in this area that we're pulling through now. Everything's flowing great. We've been running a ton of water through here to get the camera to go as far as we did. This section appears to be PVC. And this section appears to be cast iron. Definitely looks like it's changed. But it looks pretty good. I don't see any cracks or breaks in the line. That long of a line being cast iron, it's not perfectly smooth. So you don't want to use any thick toilet paper in it, especially no kind of paper towels or wipes of any nature, because that will absolutely clog it up. This sewer has a long way to go before it hits the city main. So you can see down in the bottom left, we're back to 85 feet, and I think when we started we were at around 204. And now it looks like it's changed back to PVC again. And there's actually that's just a combo cut in. That's going to be for that drain in the bathroom that's in the park building. There was a toilet in there, but it's been covered over. And there's a laundry drain in there. So again, you can see we've got another sag in the line at about 50 feet. I would recommend Scott tissue toilet paper. I don't know what kind of toilet paper is in the maintenance area, but Scott tissue is going to break up the fastest. So there's our 45. That's where it turns to run out towards the parking lot and towards the street. And back to PVC, and now I'm pulling up the clean out. So as you can see, as far as we can go, everything's clean and clear. I don't see anything broken. I don't see any dirt or roots in the line. Probably just a paper towel clog, but it's been jet cleaned. Thanks for watching.